Well, guys, I want to show you in my back office, and I don't know whether you can see at the top here. It's Tuesday, the 11th of June at 7:18 in the morning here in the UK, and let's see if I've made any money overnight. Now, in my last video that I did yesterday, I'd actually made $55 in 2 days. So let's have a look how I'm doing now. So I'm going to log into the members area, and let me cut straight to the chase. I'm going to go over to the affiliate page, and then on here, I'm going to go to commissions. Let me scroll down. So let's see how I've done. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 payments. And I've gone from $55 up to $175. Now look at these dates. So this is the month here. June was when I first joined. So we've got the 8th of June, we've got the 9th of June, and coming up we've got the 10th of June. It's just starting now, the 11th of June. And let's see if I get any more sign-ups from these leads. So some of these leads have come through the system that I've got sales from, and some of them are my personal referrals. But I'm sure you'll agree after, what, 1 day there, 2 days there, 3 days. So 3 days, $175. How fantastic is that? If you want to get access to this system, below the video, there's a link that's going to take you over to the page where you can actually register. It's going to cost you $60 to get started today. And then after that, it's $30 every month. As you can see, I've been in there using the system or making money from the system for 3 days. I've actually joined it, I think, on Friday last week. And because of the weekend, I don't work on the weekend. So I did send a couple of emails. But you can send emails directly from the system. So let me just show you. You get this mailing system here. But also, while I'm on the affiliate page here, if I go up to promotional tools and I go down, you've got the compensation plan there. But as you go down the page here, you've got all the emails that you need. There's 10 emails here for you to get started. So you've got 10 days of emails. Plus, if you join under me, I'll give you access to my emails as well. I'm going to be setting up a special area for people that joined underneath me. But if you wanted to import this email into the system, so all you do is click this link below the email. That will load the email into the email sender. Now you can either send out the email by date, by which means that the date that you got the leads, or you can do to all of the leads. I normally do to all of the leads, 800 leads. And as you can see, the email's already got the subject line in. And if I go down to the editor, it's got all in there and it's got my link and my name. Obviously, you can edit this email in any way you like. So I'll just put in there test, test, test. As you can see, you can do the edit. And if you wanted to link it to a website, you'd highlight it, come up to the icon for linking it, which is here. It's like a chain. So you'd put your website in there and you'd click OK, obviously. And then all you'd need to do is to click send. I always tick this box to do perfect timing. As you can see, I sent out an email this morning, so I've got another 22 hours to go because you can send 1 email a day. But guys, that's all you need. So let's go back over to my commissions and show you again. And as you can see there, $175 in 3 days. How cool is that? It's a great little system. I'm going to use this system first to promote the system, and then after I've done that, I'm going to use the leads to promote any business I like, but I'm going to be using it for Johnny Blockchain. Make sure you click that link below this video, and you could be making money just like me in the next few days. I'll see you in another video, and you have an amazing day. Bye now.